Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuit drawing. We'll start by gathering our essential drawing tools, like a good quality paper, a range of pencils, and a reliable eraser. Next, we'll focus on the fundamental shape of a biscuit, which is often a simple circle or square. Pay close attention to real biscuits to capture their unique textures and subtle color differences. Now for the only way to truly capture a biscuit's essence. Start with a very light, slightly imperfect outline, either circular or square, to define its overall form. Then, add a subtle, wavy inner line to create the illusion of a raised edge, typical of a freshly baked biscuit. Finally, sketch small, irregular indentations around the perimeter to give it that authentic, baked appearance. Hey everyone, if you're finding these drawing tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. And speaking of clean, after you've finished your biscuit drawing, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the crumbs. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and perfect for pet owners. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. To bring your biscuit drawing to life, focus on texture and depth. Employ stippling or light cross-hatching to mimic the crumbly, porous surface of a biscuit. Next, add darker shading directly beneath the biscuit to create a convincing shadow, making it appear to rest on a surface. Remember to vary your pencil pressure to illustrate areas of crispness versus softer, doughy parts. For the final touches, carefully erase any guidelines that are no longer needed, ensuring clean and crisp edges. Use your eraser to gently lift pigment, creating subtle highlights that suggest light reflecting off the biscuit's surface. Take a moment to step back and review your drawing for overall balance and realism, making any last adjustments to perfect your biscuit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.